Now our analysis on our natural gas for the week. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. I want you to subscribe, like and share if you are new to this my channel. By the way, as you can see, if you are watching my video consistently, you will see where I've predicted we are actually going bullish and when we will actually be having the fall, where we predicted we will have a fall and when we will actually start going bullish. Now apart from that, let's look at what we'll be having this week. Definitely we are actually going to be going bullish this week. That is actually a good sign that our natural gas will be going this week. As you can see, our crude oil too, we are aiming to be going bullish this week. Same with our natural gas, our oil and gas anyway will actually be going bullish this week. Now as we can see on our trend line, if you understand your trend, you can see our uptrend. You can see this, you can see the reversal, right? We can see another uptrend, right? We also see, you see breaking our previous higher highs anyway. So I mean that is it. Now you can also see a reversal move. You can see this uptrend, then we actually get this reversal move. Definitely, as we can see that now as we actually got in this previous, higher lows, you can see our price now pushes up. As our price opens up below around here, it pushes down. We had that bearish move, then we actually now have that bullish move. Definitely that is a sign that our price is now actually now starting to push up. Definitely we are now waiting for a bullish move. As you can see our trend line. Now let's go on our 4-hour time frame to analyze it better. As you can see, we are actually on an uptrend. Yes, we saw our previous, I think, higher lows here. Our price breaks below it, then we add another higher lows here where our price came to touch it. So as you can, we like call it a triple top, a three bottom, 1 2 3. Definitely we are actually having a push up. There's every possibility we might be having the fourth bottom before we actually have that bullish move. I want you to note that, but definitely we are going to be breaking above this our highs here. This is our highs, which is about 9.657. We are going to be breaking above it this week. And I want you to also know that there's every possibility we'll be having this, fourth bottom, or you want to call it your third bottom, as you can calculate it 1, 2. You can also call it a third bottom, or you can also calculate this one included, making it a fourth bottom. So have it in mind that you can actually drop, test this area again, and go bullish. Then we will be breaking this our previous higher highs. And by the way, we are going bullish, so aim to go bullish. You can take your buy position by the time our price opens and probably set your stop loss around there. At least that should be okay, break above this key area. We are actually going bullish, by the way, for this week. And now on our 1-hour time frame, as you can see, our price on our 1-hour time frame, we're actually ranging here. As you can see, our price is actually ranging here. On our 1-hour time frame, you can see it as support area. That is why I said there's every possibility we can come and hit this our support. Then definitely that will give us a good opportunity to actually take our buy position. As you can mark here as our highs, you see price tested here, hits here, even came here to it, came down. So if you want to trade on your 1-hour time frame, you can see that our price is actually ranging within this area here. So the best thing, wait for price to come to this our support area, then take your buy on our natural gas. That is the best thing. And we'll now be breaking above this our highs here and continue going upward on our natural gas for this week. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, to share, and also comment. Thank you.